Welcome. This tutorial will demonstrate how to access your Canvas course using the Canvas Student mobile app. First, tap the App Store on your device. Search for Canvas Student. Tap the cloud to download the app to your device. Once the app installs, tap to open it. The first thing you'll need to do is find my school. Type University of Wisconsin. Make sure to select Madison. Your NetID login screen will come up, so type your NetID and password. It's a good idea to allow notifications so that you won't miss important things like announcements or assignments. Your courses will be here on your dashboard. You can tap any course to enter it. Please notice the menu along the left-hand side and the options at the bottom of the screen. If you need any further assistance or have questions, please contact your instructor.